Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building the batter immediately. Cream 115 g butter with 200 g sugar until light, because aeration gives rise. Once creamy, add 2 eggs one at a time so the emulsion stays stable. This prevents separation later. Meanwhile, whisk 240 g flour with 1 tsp baking powder and 1/2 tsp salt to distribute leavening evenly. Fold dry mix in thirds with 120 ml milk and 2 tsp. Once batter is combined, you must manage mixing speed and timing. Use a spatula for final folds to avoid gluten development. This is why you stop as soon as streaks disappear. Then divide batter evenly using a scale so layers bake uniformly. Tap pans on the counter to release big bubbles, which prevents tunnels. Place middle rack in oven and bake 25-30 minutes. Rotating halfway ensures even browning. Make sure to test center with a toothpick for doneness. You finish by cooling and assembling with care. Cool cakes 10 minutes in pan so structure sets, then invert onto a wire rack to avoid soggy bottoms. Once fully cool, level domes and apply a thin crumb coat to lock crumbs. This improves final frosting appearance. If a layer is dense, check possible causes: undercreaming, low oven temp, or overmeasuring flour, and rescue with a light brush of simple syrup to add moisture. Finally, chill briefly to set the frosting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.